Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here 4-member carbon skeleton is given. It is with alkene and alkyne. You have to name the compound by the IUPAC rules. The answer is very simple, but it has two important facts. For the naming of organic compound, you should know IUPAC priority. The double bond has low priority than double bond, so you have to start number from the alkene. So the alkene carbon get first, second, and third will be the alkyne carbon. Another important fact: normally higher priority groups come as suffix, but here ion come as suffix, the low priority group. So this is a very confusing fact, so you should know that. So the compound name is butadiene and 3-ine. So the fact here you have to know here is double bond has lower priority than double bond, and triple bond come as suffix in the naming. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.